Hi crypto enthusiasts, what is going on? Have you ever stumbled upon a crypto bot which you can earn for free, and after earning for free, this coin can be sent directly to your wallet and then you earn some real money for absolutely free? Okay, so in this short video I'm going to be talking about what the Dogecoin. Okay, so already I shared on some updates regarding the Dogecoin, and most people have been sending more questions asking how they can be able to get the Dogecoin in their wallet, and then how they can be able to convert this Dogecoin, the mine or the earn, to real dollars. So that is what I'm going to be talking about in this short video. Okay, so just those of you who want to get updates on this latest crypto bot which is paying and people are claiming on daily basis, and then you're going to see how you can be able to withdraw it and send directly into your wallet. Okay,
and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
all right, so in this part of the video I'm going to go ahead and open the Dogecoin on my cell phone. Okay, so those of you who are finding it difficult to access the Dogecoin, kindly know that this is available on our Telegram channel, and you can at any point in time you can access the bot by hovering over our channel, and you'll find the bot and you can click on it and claim. Okay, also you can access the bot by clicking on the description of this video. Okay, so once you click on the description of this video, you're gonna find a link which will lead you to a bot. Okay, that is the only link which we mentioned on this video, right? Okay, so let me show you how you can be able to you have been mining Dogecoin, right? Let me show you how you can convert this Dogecoin into real dollars. First, for those of you who are mining the coin, you should have connected your wallet. Okay, you should not have your wallet should be connected. It shouldn't be like mine where it's written connect to wallet instead. Okay, so you should have connected your wallet. All right, so if you have your wallet connected, what you have to do is you have to click on this button called the Airdrop. Okay, now let me show you how you do it. So right here you're gonna find a button. Okay, I think this is the button right here. Okay, this one. So you're gonna click on it. So when you click on the when you click on this Airdrop button, when you go over to the bot and you click on the Airdrop button, it's gonna take you to a new homepage called the withdrawal homepage. As you can see, this is it right here. It takes you to the withdrawal. Then on the withdrawal homepage, it's going to be explained to you which day you can be able to withdraw. Okay, which day withdrawal is possible for you. As you can see, for mine, withdrawal will be possible in 16 days 17 hours time, right? You can see. So what you should already do is once you've read what is written right here, which is the day which withdrawal will be open for you, you need to make sure that your wallet is connected to this platform before that day. Okay, as you can see, mine is not connected yet. Okay, mine is yet to be connected, but I'm going to connect it just very soon. So you have to make sure that you connect your wallet, and then once you've connected your wallet, I already made a video on how you can connect your wallet using a tone keeper. Okay, so once you connect your wallet, as soon as the withdrawal is open for you, you're gonna be able to withdraw. Okay, and kindly know that the withdrawal date can seemingly be different for some people, because already I saw a comment where my withdrawal date was showing like 28 days while another person's own was showing like 10 days. It's unclear how these things are done. Probably depends on when you started mining the coin, but this is my withdrawal date. Okay, so if you have been able to receive this coin on your wallet, please let us know in the comment. And if you have any further question as far as this is concerned, you can also let us know in the comment. Okay, so the link will be in the description of this video, and if you have any question, you can always reach out to us. Okay.